Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when one earbud isn't working on your Oladance OWS Pro. You have to start by put your earbuds to the charging case and now close the case. The earbuds is disconnected from your phone and after that just open it again and now it reconnect. So check your earbuds, maybe it fixes your problem. If it doesn't, we should perform a hard reset. So put it to the charging case and after that, right here we have two touch controls, so press and hold both of it until you will see that the earbuds is disconnected from your phone. So and we have it. Now release your finger and firstly we should remove it. So click the settings icon or information icon if you have iOS. Forget this device, forget device. Also on Android click pair new device and the earbuds is entered to pairing mode automatically, so just click on it in the device list and then click pair. We did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!